So we had a garage sale to sort of clean out the house for my mother-in-law, and nobody wanted the old cutlery. It's all EPNS, so Electro Plated Nickel Silver, so no real silver in it at all. It's mostly copper, nickel and zinc. But we're going to melt this down and cast some stock, and I'm going to see if we can make some cubes out of it. I've got about 3 odd kilos of silver in here. I need at least a couple. So we'll load it in to the gas furnace and see what we can make. See what we got. Still hot on the inside, but there you go. There's one block. There's the other. Ready for machining. Here are our 2 ingots that we cast before. So we've now got stock. They're big, heavy and chunky. They weigh about 1.2 kilos each. And we're going to chuck them in the mill. And we're going to flatten out some surfaces. Now we're going to make some holes. There we go. Just sanding away, working through the grits, getting rid of the machine marks, seeing what sort of polish we can get. This is boring, but it works. Well, there we go. That's up to 600. I'll give it a buff now, do some laser engraving and then polish the rest up. And it's done. And stick a candle in it, we'll be done.